welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and today we are going to be packing orders. Like, I have backlogged orders that I need to be shipped out stat. It is currently Tuesday, January 23rd, and it is like 6:10. UPS closes in 50 minutes, and I need to wrap this up within the next 30. I feel like we could get it done by then. Do you think so? Because I think so. And I hope we are all having a happy Tuesday, happy New Year. My hair stuff actually came as well. So as you can see, we have the hair chair in the box, the shelf, and the wallpaper. So I'm just gonna literally have... That's crazy. Right when I want to record my vlog, this ambulance. And let's jump into packaging these orders, because baby, the girlies love their tracking. We need the tracking. Give me the tracking. That way, once I put it in the pink bag that it goes in with this disc, I can just fold it up and put the sticker on it. I don't know. Packaging orders is honestly not that hard of work, but it's just tedious because, bro, you can't mess up. You cannot mess up. You literally just can't. So that's that. I'm literally just gonna stick it there, so when I go to UPS, the guy's just gonna put the paper over it with the tracking. So that's that one. I have this one, and then I have 2 more demo units. We got 6 orders to ship. So, as you can tell, we are finished with UPS. But you guys, look, I got some merch material. You could just see it feels so buttery soft. I got this with a pair of shorts, so these are like gym wear or like lounge wear, and I'm so happy I get to wear this a lot. It says Next Chapter, and that's the name of the brand. I love it. It's reflective. The print feels really nice and comfy, and I can't wait to wear it. But this is the person who usually helps me out at the UPS store when I go with my packages, so I will tag the brand and stuff, so definitely go ahead and show love. It's time to move on to our next stop. I want to actually go to Home Depot because, girl, I need to get an X-Acto knife, and I'm super duper hungry, so I don't really know what I want to eat though. It's giving Jamaican food. And, hi, do you guys have curry goat?
Do we have curry goat? No, we're all out.
Here we're going to Island Things. I really hope they have stuff. That's what it looks like. some sort of crazy fruit fly infestation, so I'm killing them all. I'm on the phone with my friend Ash because we've been on the phone sometimes, and I'm gonna set up my camera for my TikTok that I'm recording as well. So I actually put on a lip liner, but I wiped it off, but you can still see some residue. When I was on TikTok live, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, you probably should. When I was on TikTok live, I started opening up the boxes. So let me show you what I got. It's the color of the wooden panel thing, but it's just very much blending in with everything else, and I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I wanted it to be the dark walnut wood, but maybe this might look cute. In order to get this wallpaper up on the wall, I need to remove the curtain panel, so I'm just gonna take that out real quick and put it down, so when it's time to put it back in, it's just gonna be super easy. Up to the top. Should I put this all the way up to the top? The wallpaper. Should I put this all the way? This is the end result. I'm so happy. Now I can go to sleep. And is it 2 o'clock? No, it's probably like 4 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna hit the sheets and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day and I'm just starting to get my life together where cleaning up is concerned. And I look absolutely crazy. Like, I'm just trying to hurry up and do this so I can bathe and get myself together because I do have a friend coming to do her hair. She's doing a Yaki Straight unit and I can't wait because it's from my vendor. It's from my vendor. So what's happening now? I'm actually putting all the trash in boxes to take them down to the dumpster, and oh my god, I finally got a fly zapper. It came in today and I'm so excited because I feel like the purple light thing was doing its thing, but it wasn't doing enough. She wasn't doing enough, okay? So I had to get that shit in check. Right now I'm gonna put you guys down because I want to sort out this rug actually. So I got a rug from Amazon. Like, everything I keep buying just comes fast. So I got this rug from Amazon for like 160 or 130 something. It wasn't that expensive and it's an 8x10. Can you believe that? So let's just set it up because I feel like I'm being bamboozled, but it might be a good rug. So let's see.
Wish death upon me, blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas tryna take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk.
This is a rug, and I feel like it brightens up the space a lot. I think I need some artwork. I'm not sure of what coffee table to get. I'm really not sure. So let me know what you guys think. And the rug is very soft and plush.
About me, 'cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest. Something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble. Show your ass with my gun. Got a temper, nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your legs. I walk